Good morning and a very well welcome to the Supreme Court of Kenya for the further hearing of the presidential petition number E005 of 2022. As consolidated with E001, E002, E003, E004, E007, and E008, Raila Amolo Odinga and 7 others versus William Ruto and others.